Hi, it's Sandra, and I got my Manny and Me box today, Manny by Me box today. And as usual, I'm going to open it up and show you what's in it. If you have not gone to the Manny by Me site, you can go on there, and they also did an unboxing there as well. So today I'm going to show you what's in the box, and then I'll show you what I come up with as a manicure. So let's open this up and see what's in. So by the way, these boxes are $25, and they include the two stamping plates and 2 polishes and your free gift. And if you got enough polishes and you'd rather just get it without polish, you can get the express kit, which is $18. So the first thing that they always put in here are these little cards, and I know we talked about these before, and it just kind of tells you a little summary of what the box is about and what's in it. And then they always give you a manicure idea and a how-to inside too. So if you get the box and you can't think of what to do, you got an idea right there. So take this off. So this is the stuff within the box. Get rid of this box. So this is the nail polish, and this is our free gift and the 2 plates. So the free gift this month is actually really nice. It is a scraping card holder. And I've noticed online that a lot of people were actually talking about holders for scrapers, because when you do them, a lot of times you get the nail polish and stuff in your hand, and then you try to get the scraper, and then you can mess up your manicure. So this is kind of nice. So you get this little purple pineapple. And I did read online that the company that makes this pineapple is actually kind of behind. So their orders are kind of behind. So don't be panicked if you get your order late. So this is for the little cards. You can put up to 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5, 4 or 5. And then you can put your little, whatever you want here, a tool there. It looks like it's really nice. You can hold your little plates there and have them handy for whenever you're ready to actually scrape your polish. So we got that, and then we've got a little place to hold your brush. Let's put that there, and this is my cleanup brush, and there you go. We got a little handy dandy holder. Very cute. Okay, so then that's the free gift. So let's go over the plates. So we've got Manny by Me, and this is MXM060. And this is this whole box, or these plates, really remind me of the plates that they had given the stained glass month. I don't know if that was May or when that was, but these are, to me, are on the same, I don't know, that's what it reminds me of. It's just like more stained glass. But they are very pretty images, and what makes them really pretty is Maniology, their plates are always etched so well that whenever you pick up all these fine lines, you pick up all of them, and you can see them all, and they're beautiful. So it looks like there's actually animals in these. I see an owl here, and it's hard to see some of these. I'm not sure, but you can see the outline of animals in here. Each one has a different animal. This one looks, I don't know if that's a goat. It looks like it has horns. I'd have to, this one may be a tiger. This one's an owl. Not sure what this one is. This one, I don't know if it's like a coyote or something like that. And then I'm not sure what this one is. It could be the animals that are down here, but I'd have to stare at these for a while. So then they also give you the camel, and this is for layering. So you could absolutely do the body different than the actual outlining. And this is something that you could do where you do the kind of like you did the stained glass, where you could do like each piece of this different color. So we got a camel here, we got a butterfly here, we actually got a flamingo here, and then we've got all these little animals here, and these are actually the animals that must be in here. So, and it looks like you've got koala bear and some kind of ox or something, and maybe a tiger. And so there's a whole bunch of different animals here. And then you've got like a deer here, an elephant, and a rabbit, and then a little arrow thing here, some little decorations here. Plus you've got this little border here that's really cute. So very cute, very nice, very delicate, and I'm sure it's very well etched, and when you go to stamp this, it'll be beautiful. So that's the number 1 plate. And then the other plate that they have, oh, and by the way, got a little sticker here. The other plate they have is MXM 059, and this is a little different. This one has some small images, plus it has big ones as well. So this is similar to, they've got another plate that kind of has similar images to this, but these are always very pretty. And then you can do like partial. This is really cute. You could put this at the end of your finger here, and then this comes down. It looks very pretty. And you've got these mandalas, or I don't know how they pronounce it, but we've got this, and those are really cute. And then we've got this, and then again, these kind of remind me of the plate that they have with these designs on it. Very pretty, very usable, very cool. So let's look at the polish that they've given us. And the stamping polish. It's always interesting to see what colors they associate with these plates that they have. So we've got 2 different colors. One is like I guess it's like an aqua. It's called Prana. Very pretty. It's like a metallic or frost. And then the other one is called Hatha. And that's like a brown or gold, or I don't know what you would call that. I've got some other similar polishes that are like this. So from Maniology. So it's going to be interesting to see what the difference is. So let's get an idea of how these are going to stamp. All right, so get this. And I always like to wipe this plate off when I first get it with some acetone, so that way any kind of film that's on it will come up. All right. And I get my stamper. And we got our handy dandy card holder right here. So we'll see how this works. So here is the Hatha. Let's do a big one, shall we? Stamp this on here. So there's a Hatha, and it is very pretty. It shows up on both black and the white, and it's creamy. So no metallic in this one. Very pretty. And then let's do this other one, which is again called Prana. And let's do one from here. Let's see what we got on this one. Let's do the owl, since I actually know what this is. Oh, I didn't wipe that off. Oh, that's very pretty. Very pretty color. And this too seems to show up on the black and the white very well. But this is more of a, it is kind of a metallic. Very pretty though. So there's your 2 colors and your plates and your gift. And I will be back with what my version of this manicure that I come up with using the stamping polish and the plates that we received. So I'll be back. Thanks. Okay, so I did my beautiful manicure with July 2021 box, and I wanted to show you, first of all, let's see, I want you to see the manicure. It's very important that you see the manicure. And I even put some bling on there. So right here on my ring finger, I put a little rhinestone. And as you can see, I used the colors from the box. So I used the B398 Hatha, and I used B397, which is Prana. So this is what I came up with. It's like a Southwest kind of look feeling. I think it turned out really pretty. I do want to say that the both colors are really pretty. The teal color, or I don't know what you call it, blue, green, teal color. This really stained my fingers because I was messing around with it and I got it all over my hand, and it very much stains. So, but that's okay. It's a very vibrant color. It stamps really well. It's very pretty. So that's what I came up with. And the actual images that I used were, where are they? Are these 2 right here. So what I did was a layer. I did this one first in the cream color, and then I did this in the teal. So the other thing that I used was actually a cream color stamping polish, and it's by Hit the Bottle, and the color is Whiskey Latte. And I think it's really pretty. It's subtle. It's not like a bright white. So you get that kind of warm feeling with it. I think these colors are, Maniology, I think when they pick these colors, most of the time, I agree with the color matches. And I think they turned out really pretty. I'm really happy with them. And even though it's going to be the 4th of July, I went with the Maniology box. I may change them just before the 4th, but here you go. This is them. There's a bunch of different patterns on here, and those are the ones I chose. All of these ones can be layered, that you see these little ones. I did do the thumb a little different. The thumb has that kind of drop. Let's see if I can get this in really good here. The kind of, I don't know what you'd call it. It's like a drop pattern. It's hard to see, but it kind of just goes on the top of my thumb. Geez, I can't get a good picture here. And, oh, there it goes. And I think it's really pretty too. So I worked in the aqua in there as well, and I think it turned out pretty. And the actual one that I used, the image I used on this one, for my thumb, was this one right here. And then I did it in the cream color, off-white, and then I put the aqua in the little, I don't know, the little stars or whatever they are. So, and by the way, the edging here that I've done, let's see if we can get a good picture of that, good image of that. If you can see it along the edge here, that is actually from here, and it's this image right here. It's got the little flowers on it, and I think that's pretty. And I actually had this one first, but then I decided to do flowers. So there's a lot of little lines that you can do on your nail. I even thought about just doing a couple lines vertically down the center. So you got this one to pick from, and you got this one over here to pick from, and you've got these edges along here that look really pretty on your nail too, because I tried those as well. So there's a lot of variety and different things you can use and make your creation with. I think it's a really great plate. I was hesitant. I really, 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 really like the June box, and I thought, July's going to come out, and I'm not going to like that as much as I did June. What will I do? And I thought, oh my God, it's just like the stained glass. What am I going to do with that? So I really like it. I think it's great. So thanks for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and tell me your opinion. Tell me what you think of this manicure. And thanks for watching.